Well, I'm not sure.
Ice cream?
Maybe. Can we use Brother Time's magic time travel powers to find out?
Yes, but be careful not to let anything back through the portal.
Okay. It's a baby Ankylosaurus, baby Triceratops, and baby Stegosaurus. Aww.
Hello, little dinos!
Look, Morphle. Now we know what these dinosaurs like to eat. Ferns, moss, and pine cones. Don't worry. We'll bring your babies back.
Huh?
Sorry, Daddy. Morph into a race car to catch them, Morphle.
Hey, little dino!
Maybe he will come over if you morph into a Triceratops too.
Not in my city. Come here, little dino. Ah! Oh, ah, oh, ow.
A dinosaur! Ah! We need something big to bring them back to Brother Time. Morphle, morph into a dinosaur train. Why won't he come with us? I have an idea! Yay! Now let's get you home safe. Sorry for letting the dinos through the portal, Daddy. We couldn't stop them in time.
That's okay. They were just looking for an adventure, like someone else I know.
And we learned that the Stegosaurus's favorite food is pine cones.
That reminds me. Who's hungry?
Me, Orphle.
Let's have our dinner then.